Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. And from wherever you are listening to this channel, I always say sending you love all the way from India. This session is first message. I do have Facebook page Essential Speaks Messages, and follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Running Essentials. Now this session is for Sushant Singh Rajput, Disha Salyan, and other cases involved. Now I'm going to just take a few minutes, and I'm not going to probably not taking cards in this session. I've already done 6 sessions. Okay, so this is going to be the brisk and shortest of session. Actually, I looked through some things and I tried to connect with the energies from the other realm, and they gave me few messages. So quickly we get into that. So regarding Sushant Singh Rajput, many people been asking me, with all due love and honor, is he alive? I did a lot of sessions, and in all the sessions it's like was coming because I meditated and I got into contact with his energy, and he said 3 times no, 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 like that, as if he actually said this. Because how I can convey you is through this. If you believe it, believe it. Okay, that's my purpose. It was something that he's being asked from around the globe time and again. People who are working, healers, empaths, and even I heard about half paranormal. Okay, and a lot that is happening. So I feel like he's consistently being asked the same question, and that's why he's getting hurt. So he was literally little bit angry in this phase when he was saying no, no, no. Then I will say a little bit more things in my earlier sessions. If you will hear many things that I mentioned regarding the letters and regarding the swampy area, regarding the marshy area and all that stuff, it's still coming out true. My many things that I talked about, that the scandals will be opening up and it's happening, other scandals opening up, where the richies are there, it's going to fall. I'm saying it right from the June. Okay, now here I saw that I tried to follow him. He was on stairs, and those stairs were wooden, and the wooden stairs were like all old and vintage, and then he was very fast, and I tried to buck up. We need to be very fast because they are already very fast in that realm. So I just followed, and he opened one door. Okay, he opened the door kind of like, I don't know which place is that. I feel like it's his home or something, where he was living. Maybe he's trying to show something to us. The way he opened the door, I followed him. Then he went, like, how I can explain you that these are stairs. Okay, he walked up to that, he opened one door, and the door was like this, and he opened it. I followed him, and then there was path, so he was here. Okay, there were 2 doors. Now I'll explain you. And from this side there were more stairs going, so he was not going on those stairs, he was here. And when I followed, he opened one door, and it was kind of like a portal or something, like, because beyond that there were clouds, which was not even possible because the houses are on earth, like on the base. So he was obviously in the other realm, he is there. So he opened the door and he kind of jumped on clouds. Basically he wanted to say something, and through that I decoded it, because those messages come in encrypted form, we need to decode it. And he said that this is a different angle, something different from my situation. Or maybe he's trying to say that different angles are opening up, different scenarios opening up, because he went there. And then I followed him again. He came again, because I was telling you that there were 2 doors. One door which was there, he opened it, and then the next time when he came again and I followed him, he stopped there. I saw one door inside in the dark, near those stairs, kind of. I don't know what is he trying to say. I'm trying to decode it in a perfect way. There was small cycle of a child, minors. Okay, and it was in front of the gate, like as if someone was there, someone was hiding there, or he helped them to hide there. Something is there connected with. The cycle was there. Okay, like under 16, under 18 years, maybe he is trying to say the minor, maybe I was trying to say that something is there, it's logged, someone who took some action in that room. I don't know what it is that all about, but whatever is coming, I'm going to tell you. Okay, you guys decode it if you want to. That kind of situation I saw. This was the message. Second, okay, the second thing is, actually this was the first thing, but this is connected with the case here. And the most important thing he showed me, I asked him that where are you, what are you doing, because many people been asking me. He is obviously sad, obviously, and angry too, because many people been asking him things like where are you, how are you alive. So it's like hitting him here. So kindly be patient. I know it hurts. I'm hurt. I'm not even liking to look in the camera right now. It's just that I'm talking and my eyes are going everywhere. I know that, but that's how the energy works. So I asked him that where are you, and I saw him very crisp. And many things happened with me prior. When I lost my Nani last year, I saw her very crisp in that realm. So it is very much possible. He was very crisp, wearing black shirt, black pants. He was crisp. And he was wearing something here. It was a locket, but different kind of. It was different kind of, and was like a little bit shiny, and with, I don't know, those were feathers or something here in the locket. I don't know exactly what it is, but he was wearing something. It was a black chain with some kind of beads, but different. Okay, then I asked him. He said that he scribbled on the sand, sorry for that, sand dune. He was sitting on the sand dune, which was very having a golden light on the sand dune. And the sand dune is not from here, it's from different area, different place. And he was looking in the opposite direction, kind of like to the oasis or to the water that's beyond. I feel it is it's Dubai. I feel really, because that kind of sand dunes and every area is there. So if we decode it, it's something like that. He was sitting there and I saw the snake. The snake came all of a sudden and wrapped up someone. I couldn't see who was the person. Possible he is trying to say that the culprits will be in. Possible because snake is connected with the poison they bring. It's also something that they don't leave the person till the time they die. Okay, so it's a choking. So maybe he's trying to say the choke happened to him, the poison happened to him, given to him. Obviously this all is coming true, but I saw the snake. So it was something that he might be trying to say, that everything happened all of a sudden, very quick, and it was just done, had no time, was all grasp of the snake. So snake is also the energy that might be they did to him. Powerful energy, and something connected with Dubai. Telling you because the snake, the poison that is coming from decoded, okay, decoded, the poison that was given to him in the drinks, in the real sense, howsoever it was given to him, the thing. And you can see that the narcotics case, the drug case is also opening here, and it's a different angle. So maybe he's trying to say that there are different angles to this issue connected with my murder. They are trying to say, he's trying to say SSR. So it's just not my murder, it is also other angles, 3 to 4 angles turning up here, and which you can see exactly opening up. So he said that. I said that, are you alive? He said in the second go, no, no, no. But he said, and he scribbled there because I wanted to ask, how are you? He said, I will live. इसका मतलब है मैं जीऊँगा, मैं रहूँगा, मैं रहूँगा. not in this realm, but he is there. He was very crisp, he was fine. He was fine, but he is just not uh, having that satisfaction because things are happening. But he knows it that there's a mass campaign, there's mass things happening. Okay, other thing that's very important. He was looking towards. I said so. So on the oasis, or there was some water or something beyond again. Water is connected, and I recently came to know that there was people wrote it. There was a movie was there, Pani. I was not even aware. Many things connected with water. Then there was a resort, Waterstone, I suppose. I heard it in the news, and then later on, when I was done with my readings and all that stuff, so that yes, of course, water is connected with that. Some connected with body also that was found of minor. I'm telling you that there are many other energies involved here, many angles, and it's coming true. I want to say the next thing is about Disha. With all due honor and respect to her, the bad that happened to her, may her soul rest in peace. I tried to first time contact her. Listen, this is very mysterious world. If they don't want, they will not tell you. And we have to decode it because they're not telling us in the everything in like words. If they could, they would have written somewhere. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to share here regarding her is that I followed her, and which is very weird or mysterious, you can say, that they are all on stairs. I don't know what. I followed her, she showed me one door. Door was opening up outside. This place is kind of like heritage. I don't know, old heritage kind of. It's something converted to, or but heritage. Because the stone was kind of yellow, or maybe because of the sunlight that was coming in. And then she went out and I followed her. And then there were stairs going downstairs. First there was a door opening, there were stairs, followed, so many stairs. And the area was some kind of backyard or something. I don't know what it is. I saw that there was some plate, not on home. I don't know what it is. You need to decode it because I'm still trying to find out what is behind and beneath it. And there was this plate, and on that number was written 1315. 1315. Is it some address? Is it some flat? Is it something connected with a number plate of vehicle? Because it's a backyard, and I thought it was like the area seemed to me as if there are vehicles, cars or vehicles or some kind of vehicles, all types of two-wheelers and three-wheelers, four-wheelers, sorry, not three-wheelers, but 1315 kind of number was being shown to me, and then whoosh, that's it. I also was doing a few days ago when I was trying to meditate for SSR, I heard the name Rohan. I said, who is Rohan? I started asking my sister, who is Rohan? And I don't know. And later on, I found out something about this name. Well, you people need to go into that deep and decode it. Also, one more thing. She wrote something. Her energy wrote something. Again, with all due honor and respect to her. Really, do understand this world is like this. She wrote R-A-J. I don't know what that means. There are two names also. Maybe they are asking for their security. Maybe they are asking for something from them possible. Maybe something is connected that they know. Maybe something is there that they don't know. Maybe something they wanted to tell them, but they couldn't. Okay? or maybe they're signing that they need protection. I don't know what it all about, but we need to, because they are encrypted, so we need to decode it. So all in all, this some names and some things connected with her. She showed me number. Basically, it's about the number that's surrounding 1315. What they're trying to say from the other realm. You got two cards. First is for SSR and the second is for Disha. It's about love. He is seeking love, and you want love, and you know that you all love him. So love is the message. There are two birds sitting, okay? Whether it's between friends, family members, or a man and a woman, love can be complex, but it doesn't have to be. Love is wanting to be together, having mutual respect for each other, and having fun. Love is a beautiful, magical feeling, and it brings us closer to God. Now, possible this is about, he is trying to say that I love my family. I loved my family and my family members. I love the person, and someone betrayed me in the love, and I got a betrayal. He wanted to be together, but he couldn't be. At this, something happened, like just like snake that I told you. Okay, so love is here. Possible this is also the message that he is trying to say, save the birds. Birds in a way decoding the minors, children. Birds, girls. Bird could be male, female energy, okay? But he is trying to say someone who is trying to fly. This could be connected with newcomers as well. Someone newcomers, new talent, okay? Birds who are coming from far, transitioning to this world, this area, working, okay? You need to know this, that possible this is what he's also trying to say, that be lovable. Don't love is also don't corner someone emotionally. So second card is for Disha. He is coping with disappointment. So the message is something that she was going through, something that she was not satisfied with. She was dissatisfied, and the lotus is not blooming here. Lotus is caught in a forest here, and lotus is withered away, basically, if you see. So she was coping with some kind of disappointment. Life can be disappointing when reality outweighs your dreams. Use this day to see that things that don't seem to go your way help you build patience for God. Now, I do feel that she was going through something drastic, and that's why disappointments are coming, something that she came to know. And reality outweighs your dreams. So obviously she had dreams and she was continuing doing that, but during her journey she came to know a lot about, and that outweighs the dreams. Basically, reality was totally different. She planned something else was coming. So possible she's saying that see through, okay? With all due honor, respect again to these energies, we shall wind up this session. I hope that you will have some answers, some guidance regarding this, and let's pray together for the justice for SSR, Disha, Salyan, even Samir, okay? Because I could only connect with these energies till now, so I give you all the messages. Rest in peace.